Start by adding your milk, melted butter, water, sugar and salt into the bowl of your stand mixer. Stir it all together just until the salt and sugar dissolve and the butter blends through the milk. About 30 seconds is plenty. Now swap to your dough hook and add the flour and sourdough starter. Mix this on low speed until it just comes together into a rough, dry dough and then let it rest for about 30 minutes. After that, knead the dough on low speed until it's silky and slightly tacky. It should look a bit glossy from the butter and milk and pull cleanly away from the sides of the bowl. This will take around 3 to 5 minutes. Once kneaded, cover the bowl and let the dough bulk ferment at room temperature until it's almost double. Remember, in rich doughs like this, rise more slowly than regular sourdough. When it's risen, turn the dough out and divide it into 12 even pieces, about 80 grams each. I've actually done 15 in this video and made them slightly smaller. Gently shape them into balls and arrange them in a parchment-lined pan so that they're just touching. Cover and let them rise again until double and puffy, around 2 hours depending on your room temperature. Finally, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, spray the rolls with water and bake for about 30 minutes until golden. Brush them with melted butter for that soft, shiny finish. Then cool slightly, pull apart and enjoy.